In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on ADA future while talking about Cardano cost estimate for 2023 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to think about this and some other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like ADA presently. How about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the Cardano value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that Cardano is a wise venture or not, for what reason will ADA succeed or fall flat? Or for what reason will ADA value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Cardano and its to-date history. What is Cardano? Cardano is a decentralized organization based on blockchain innovation that likewise has its own coin named ADA. Notwithstanding the well-known Cardano digital money, the Cardano network empowers savvy contracts and decentralized applications apps on its harmless to the ecosystem programming, while at the same time keeping up with the security gave by comparative blockchains. Cardano value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs at the point when add the latest implosions of tremendous industry players, FTX, Celsius, Luna and so forth into the situation. The horizon is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees us some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and crucial evaluation of each venture. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023 02 to 25, plus 2.29% $, 0.4162, 2023 02 to 26, plus 3.33% $, 0.4204, 2023 02 to 27, plus 1.93% $, 0.4147, 2023 02 to 28, 1.55% $, 0.4006, 2023 0301, plus 1.24% $, 0.4119, 2023 0302, plus 0.69% $, 0.4097, 2023 0303, plus 0.99% $, 0.4109, 2023 03 to 04, 1.97% $, 0.3988, 2023 03 to 05, plus 1.68% $, 0.4137, 2023 03 to 06, 3.72% $, 0.3917, 2023 03 to 07, 3.58% $0.3923 Cardano value expectation 2023 high expansion and very hazardous full-scale circumstance considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inside crypto issues with enormous players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will most likely see a great deal of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023, blemish, 15.13% $, 0.3453, 2023. April 32.23% $, 0.2757 2023 May 24.89% $, $0.3056, 2023 June. 13.77% $0.3508, 2023 July 6.83% $0.3791, 2023 August plus 0.32% $0.4082, 2023 September plus 8.84% $0.4428, 2023 October plus 13.57% $0.4621, 2023 November plus 21.85% $0.4957, 2023 December plus 27.01% $0.5168, 2024 January plus 37.17% $0.5581, 2024 February plus 42.50% $0.5798, ADA value expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees ADA coming to $1.04 in 2025. What will ADA be worth in 5 years? The cost of ADA in 5 years could lie around $0.8870. Cardano value expectation 2030-2040. What Cardano will be worth in 2030? Our gauging model sees Cardano coming to $2.59 in 2030. What Cardano will be worth in 2040? Our determining model sees Cardano coming to $5.19 in 2040. Will Cardano supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Cardano won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might Cardano at any point reach $10? Indeed, Cardano could reach $10 toward the finish of 2025. Could Cardano at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Cardano to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. Could Cardano at any point reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Cardano to reach $1,000 in the short or mid-term period. Is Cardano worth purchasing? We are promoters of respectably unsafe financial planning. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half 35% in a crate of large cap coins, and the rest in little undertakings with tremendous potential gain. Thus, in this unique circumstance, Cardano merits purchasing. Is Cardano a wise speculation? Cardano is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, a hazardous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Cardano be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $0.2392. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $2.59 or much higher. For what reason will Cardano succeed and get more expensive? Cardano has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Cardano ascending to $2.59 in 2030. For what reason will Cardano fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle because of multiple factors.